Are you looking for the best rolling walkers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best rolling walkers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. VOCIC Z21 Rollator Walker for Seniors. The VOCIC Z21 walker is designed to make mobility easier and safer for seniors. It is lightweight yet strong, weighing just 19.4 pounds but built with thickened aluminum tubes to support up to 330 pounds. You'll appreciate the quick folding feature that lets you store it easily in your car trunk. The walker offers great comfort with a thick, water-resistant seat and a wide, breathable backrest to support your back better than typical walkers. Its 8-inch puncture-proof tires handle all kinds of terrain smoothly, giving you confidence to walk on uneven or slippery surfaces. Plus, the sensitive braking system with 3 modes keeps you safe and in control. What we like: easy assembly, sturdy and durable, large wheels for maneuverability, adjustable height, supports larger users. What we don't like: seat lacks cushioning, low-placed, cloth basket. Number 2. Drive Medical Rollator Walker. The Drive Medical Rollator Walker is a versatile and convenient mobility aid that offers a comfortable and secure way to get around. With its durable padded seat and backrest, you can take a break whenever you need to without worrying about finding a place to sit. The sturdy steel frame provides stability, and the included basket or pouch allows you to carry your personal items with ease. The 7.5-inch non-marring casters make it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, and the Deluxe loop locks ensure that the rollator will not slip when seated. With the easy turn lever for quick height adjustment, you can customize the walker to your preferred height. Whether you're going for a stroll in the park or running errands, the Drive Medical Rollator Walker is a reliable companion that will help you maintain your independence and mobility. What we like: sturdy and stable design, lightweight and easy to use, comfortable adjustable handles, convenient seat and storage, great value for price. What we don't like: a bit heavy for some, seat less comfy for larger users. Number 3. BlessReach Economy Steerable Knee Scooter. The BlessReach knee scooter is a great choice if you're recovering from foot, ankle, or lower leg surgery, or if you have a below-the-knee amputation. It offers a comfortable alternative to crutches, letting you move around more easily. The sturdy double tube frame gives you strong support and stability, so you feel safe using it. The 8-inch wheels make steering smooth and effortless, helping you get around without hassle. Plus, the adjustable locking handbrake lets you control your speed and stop safely whenever you need. There's even a removable canvas bag for carrying your essentials, which is both durable and easy to take off when needed. What we like: easy assembly, sturdy and durable, comfortable knee cushion, adjustable handlebars, useful front storage bag. What we don't like: seat cushion could be improved, minor handlebar or brake adjustments needed. Number 4. BlessReach Deluxe Medical Knee Scooter. The BlessReach knee scooter offers a great alternative to traditional crutches, especially if you're recovering from foot or ankle injuries. Its all-terrain design, with large front and rear tires, lets you easily move across different surfaces like grass, gravel, or uneven sidewalks, giving you more freedom wherever you go. The padded, contoured knee support keeps you comfortable and stable, reducing the strain on your upper body that crutches usually cause. Plus, it folds up for easy transport and storage, and includes a removable bag to carry your personal items, making it convenient for daily use and travel. What we like: sturdy and stable design, easy assembly process, roomy pouch or basket, effective disc brakes, lightweight and portable. What we don't like: does not fold easily, knee cushion could be softer. Number 5. Soundfuse Rollator Walker with Seat. The Soundfuse foldable rollator is designed to provide you with a stable and strong walking aid thanks to its reinforced triangular frame and thick tubes, supporting up to 350 pounds. You'll appreciate the comfy seat shape to fit your body and reduce hip pressure, along with a wider backrest for extra support during brakes. Its reliable braking system gives you smooth control with 3 different modes, helping you feel safe while moving. Plus, the Rollator adjusts easily to your height and folds up quickly, making it simple to carry and store wherever you go. What we like: easy assembly and folding, sturdy and durable build, comfortable seat with back support, ample storage space, smooth maneuverability. What we don't like: wheels slightly noisy on hard floors, handle adjustment less convenient,